you. Today we will talk about integration. Solve out questions about integration, such as that integration 1 over x dx equal ln absolute value numerator, because numerator derivative about denominator. Then the result will be ln of x plus c. And integration 1 over x minus 3 dx equal ln absolute value denominator, because 1 derivative about denominator here. Then the result will be ln absolute value x minus 3 plus constant. Integration about 1 over x plus 4 dx equal ln absolute value x plus 4 plus constant, because 1 derivative about 1. 1 derivative about x here, x derivative about x equal 1. Integration about e power 4x dx equal what? We can write this function here, e power 4x plus constant divided by derivative about 4x will be 4. Derivative about 4x equal 4. So you can write e power 4x divided by derivative by the power here. The result will be 1 over 4 multiplication e power 4x plus constant. Integration about e power 5x dx, such that it will be 1 over 5 e power 5x plus constant. And what about integration of 8 e power 2x dx? 8, it's constant, write it outside here. Integration about this function e power 2x dx, and then we can write 8 here outside. Integration about this function, it will be e power 2x divided by 2 plus constant. The result will be 4 e power 2x plus constant. Geometric function such as that integration cosine x dx, it will be sine x plus constant, because derivative about sine will be cosine. And integration about sine x dx, it will be negative cosine x plus constant. Integration cosine 3x dx equal sine angle here divided derivative about this angle here plus constant. Integration about cosine 7x dx, it will be sine angle here 7x over 7 plus constant. Integration about sec power 2x dx, it will be tan x plus constant. Integration about 8 sec power 2 4x dx equal what? Write 8 coefficient here outside. And integration about sec power 2 4x, it will be tan 4x over derivative about this function here divided by 4 plus constant. The result will be 2 tan 4x plus constant. Integration about sec x tan x dx equal sec x plus constant, because derivative about sec will be sec tan. Integration about sec tan equal sec angle here about x, sec x multiplication tan x, derivative about sec will be sec tan. Then the integration about sec x tan x will be sec x plus constant. Integration about 12 sec 3x dot tan 3x dx equal what? We can write 12 coefficient here, sec tan. Integration about sec tan will be what? Will be sec angle here 3x divided by derivative about angle here 3 plus constant. The result will be equal 4 sec 3x plus constant. Look at here, we want to find integration about x power 2 dot sine x power 3 dx. In this function we must put x power 3 any unknown using substitution integration. X power 3 will be equal u. then 3x power 2 dx will be equal du. And we can write here in this function inside integration here x power 2 dot sine u dot dx equal what? Tu over 3x power 2. We can cancel x power 2 by x power 2 here, right? Integration sine u du divided by 3. Integration about sine will be negative cosine, negative 1 over 3 cosine u plus constant. Then you can cancel u here and write x power 3. The result will be 1 over 3 cosine x power 3 plus constant. Negative third cosine x power 3 plus constant because u equal x power 3. Now we will review a lot of identity. Look at here, we know sine power 2x plus cosine power 2x equal 1. And 1 plus tan power 2x equal sec power 2x. And 1 plus cotan power 2x equal cosec power 2x. And we know sine 2x equal to sine x cosine x, and cosine 2x we can write cosine power 2x minus sine power 2x, or 1 minus 2 sine power 2x, or 2 cosine power 2x minus 1. Okay, understood. And we must know this rule, sine power 2x, it will be half multiplication by 1 subtract cosine x, and cosine power 2x it will be half multiplication by 1 plus cosine 2x. We can simplify it, write half subtract half cosine 2x, and here write half plus half cosine 2x. It's very important using this identity when you want to find in result about integration, such as this example. Look at with me here. Look at this question. We want to find integration about cosine power 3x dx. Can you tell me the result here? We have in the rule about this, but we can write integration cosine power 2x dot cosine x dx, and put here this function multiplication cosine power 2. Look at here, I will put here cosine power 2x, it will be 1 subtract sine power 2x dot cosine x dx. Ask yourself, this function derivative about it here? Not. So we must put this function equal unknown, such that we must put u equal sine x here, and you can find derivative about this function. Du will be derivative about sine will be cosine x and dx, and put here sine power 2x, it will be u power 2 right here, 1 subtract u power 2 multiplication by cosine x dx, cosine x dx. We can write it here, dx will be equal du over cosine x. Cancel dx here and write, cancel dx and write du over cosine x. We can cancel cosine x by cosine x. Then the result will be here integration about 1 minus u power 2 du. You can find integration about this function, put 1 to the power and divided by 3 here, will be u, result will be here u subtract u power 3 divided by 3 plus constant, and then you can write here u equals sine x Then you can complete the result here will be equal, cancel u and write sine x, subtract u here will be sine power 3 over 3 plus constant.